Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use these are and those are. We use these when there is a plural. Plural means more than one. We say these are if the objects are near. We say those are when the objects are far. So have a look at these are. These are is used to point to more than one close object. Those are is used to point to more than one far object. Have a look at my hands. Close or near. These are my hands and are far. Those are. Have a look at these examples. Sentence 1. These are hearts. So have a look at the picture of the hearts. There is more than one. So we use these are because they are near. They're close. Sentence 2. Those hearts. Now have a look at the picture. There is more than one, so we use those are because they are far. So let's have a look at these two pens. There is more than one, so they are plural, and they are near to me. So I say, these are pens. These are pens. Now if these pens were far away, it's a plural, but they are far, so I say, those are pens. Those are pens. Let's have a look at one more example. I have these stars. Now there's more than one, so it makes it plural. If they are near to me, I say, these are stars. These are stars. If these stars were far from me, I would say, those are stars. Those are stars. Excellent job today, well done. Goodbye.